Drones do not generally locate targets that detect devices that detect infrared radiation or heat that is emitted by objects. They do not primarily identify objects using available light sources. So available light source በመጠቀም ዲቫይሶችን አይደንቲፋይ ማድረግ አይችሉም ማለት ነው። አይደንቲፋይ ማድረግ Question number 8. Which one of the following defense technologies is correctly matched with its working principles? Remember, defense technologies. You need to remember this, okay? So the question says, which one of the following defense technologies is correctly matched with the working principles? A. Drones radiate electromagnetic signal and examine echo received to identify the location of the target. B. Infrared device uses heat emission to identify objects that cannot be detected using available light sources. C. A radar is a rocket-propelled weapon designed to deliver an explosive weapon is a great accuracy at high speed. D. Missiles radiate electromagnetic signal and examine the echo received to identify the location of the target. So which one would be the correct answer? Let's see one by one. Here choice A. Drones do not generally locate targets, by radiating electromagnetic signals and analyze echoes. So the choice given here is the principle of radar. Drones radiate electromagnetic signal and examine the echo received to identify the location of the target. It says like that. No, they do not identify or locate the target. They do not generally locate the target by radiating electromagnetic signal. The one who does these tasks is radar. B. When we see B, infrared device uses heat emission to identify objects that cannot be detected using available light sources. In B, we can see infrared devices as devices that detect infrared radiation or heat that is emitted by objects. They do not primarily identify objects using available light sources. So available light source በመጠቀም ዲቫይሶችን አይደንቲፋይ ማድረግ አይችሉም ማለት ነው። አይደንቲፋይ ማድረግ አይችሉም። ግን የሚያደርጉት ምንድን ነው? ኢንፍራሬድ ራዲዬሽንን ዲቴክት ማድረግ ይችላሉ። በምን? በላይት ሶርስ በሂት ኢሚትድ የሆነውን ማለት ነው። በኦብጀክት በሂት ኢሚትድ የሆነውን በኢንፍራሬድ ራዲዬሽን ዲቴክት ማድረግ ይችላል ማለት ነው። ይችላል። ሶ ማይችለው ምንድን ነው? ዩዝስ ሂት ነው። ኢሚሽን አይደንቲፋይ ኦብጀክት ዛት ካኖት ቢ ዲቴክትድ ዩዚንግ አቬይላብል ላይት ሶርስስ ኖ they do not primarily identify objects, okay, by using available light sources. Okay, they do not ነው primarily ባሉት ላይት ሶርሶች አይደንቲፋይ ማድረግ አይችልም ማለት ነው። አይችልም ኢንፍራሬድ ዲቫይስ። ኦኬ ሲ a radar is a rocket propelled weapon designed to deliver an explosive weapon with a great accuracy at high speed. No, by the way, radar is not a rocket propelled weapon. Radar is not rocket propelled, is not a rocket propelled weapon. Rocket propelled weapon. It is not, okay? It is not rocket propelled weapon. It is a detection and ranging system, by the way. Radar is detection and ranging system. It is detection and ranging system. It is not a rocket propelled system. So the correct answer would be expected as D. That's D. What D says? Missiles radiate electromagnetic signal and examine the echo received to identify the location of the target. So D is the correct answer. D is the correct answer. Question number 9. Which one of the following phenomena occurs during change of phases of matter? During a phase change from A, liquid to gas, heat energy is absorbed by a substance while its temperature remains constant. Yeah, this is correct. Heat is absorbed as latent heat. Latent heat, heat is absorbed as or in terms of latent heat. This one is correct, by the way. This one is correct. B, liquid to solid. Heat energy, by the way, liquid to solid is called freezing. In this freezing process, heat energy is released from a substance while its temperature change uniformly. No, but temperature generally remains constant, But changes, you see, it says changes. No, no, no. In B, when you check out the general concept, during liquid solid or freezing process, heat is released, but temperature generally remains constant. Constant during the phase change, not changes uniformly. Not changes uniformly. There is no uniformly changing of temperature, okay? Okay. C. Solid to liquid. Heat energy is released from a substance while its temperature remains constant. This is not also correct. Not released. Okay? Not released. It must be absorbed. Absorbed. But it says general concept. See? During melting, that means solid to liquid process is melting. So heat is absorbed. Okay? Heat is absorbed. It is not released. Not released, okay? While temperature remains constant. Temperature also here remains constant. What's about D? What about D? Yeah, this is also not correct answer. D, gas to liquid. That is called condensation. Condensation. Heat energy is absorbed by a substance while its temperature remains constant. Heat is not absorbed here. Heat is also released here. Okay, released here. When you see the concept note, during condensation, heat is released, okay? Released, not absorbed. Not absorbed. While temperature remains constant. While temperature remains constant. So the correct answer would be A. The correct answer would be A for question number 9. Question number 10. Assume that a ball is thrown vertically from a building of height h above the ground with initial speed v0 from the ground to upwards. Okay, assume this is ground, this is something height h with initial velocity v0. Which one of the following statements is correct about motion of object? Motion of object. A, its horizontal component velocity uniformly increases. By the way, this is not correct. Its horizontal velocity remains constant. It is not increasing, okay? It's not increasing, it remains constant. So horizontal component does not uniformly increase, okay? Does not uniformly increase. It uniformly becomes constant. Uniformly becomes constant. Okay, B. So A is not just correct choice. B, its vertical component acceleration is 0. No, vertical component acceleration is not 0, by the way, not 0. It's approximately, vertical acceleration is approximately the acceleration due to gravity downwards, due to gravity, okay? That means we can consider acceleration due to gravity that is around 9.8 meter per second square, okay? Meter per second square. We can consider that one due to acceleration due to gravity, or G we can say. So we cannot say that it is 0. It is accelerating with 9.8 meter per second square with acceleration due to gravity, okay? C, B is not correct, it is not 0, but it is accelerating at the acceleration due to gravity, okay? See, its vertical component velocity remains constant. Vertical component velocity remains constant. It does not remain constant, by the way. Vertical component does not remain constant. It increases downward because of gravity, okay? Downward it increases because of gravity. It's not constant. So C is also not the correct answer. What about D? Its horizontal component acceleration is 0. There is no horizontal force, so horizontal acceleration is 0. Okay, we have seen the vertical component of acceleration is not 0 because it accelerates as acceleration due to gravity. But at D, horizontal component acceleration is 0. No, yeah, it is 0. For this one, it is 0. For this, it is not 0. Okay, for this one, horizontal component of acceleration is 0. Yeah, because there is no horizontal force. There is no force horizontal component. No force horizontal component. So we can consider as no. There is no. Okay, there is no. So the acceleration at horizontal component of acceleration x is equals to 0. We can consider acceleration x is equals to 0. We can consider. So the correct choice would be D. The correct choice would be D. Thank you, and please subscribe our channel and share this video for your friends, classmates, and we'll work next questions in deep about with clarification like this. Okay, thank you.